Now, when we are going to solve the problem of a not-for-profit organization like a hospital, now we have to see in the hospital one item is medicine, which is very important item, medicine. Medicine is a revenue expenditure. Obviously and definitely we have to reflect the medicine consumed during the year in the income and expenditure account, and whatever the stock of medicine at the end of the year will be reflected in the balance sheet asset side. If there will be any creditors for medicine, then that will be reflected in the liability, and if any advance is given to the supplier of medicine, then that item will be reflected in the asset side. I'm giving you one problem related to the medicine. Note down the question what I have given you and pause the button and note it down. Now, to that question, it is required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet of the 2 years. Balance sheet of 2018-19 and 19-20. The informations given in the question is like this: creditors for medicine purchased, opening and closing, advance to supplier of medicine, opening closing, stock of medicine, opening and closing, and in additional information, the payment for purchase of medicine during the financial year 1920 is 4,60,000. From this information you have to prepare, or you have to find out how much medicine is consumed during the year, so that that amount will be reflected in the debit side of income and expenditure account as a revenue expenditure, and the creditors for medicine will be reflected in the balance sheet liability side, and advance to supplier of medicine will be reflected in the asset side. Now come how we have solved this problem. Creditors for medicines account will be operated. We are going to operate the account of creditors for medicine. This start with the opening balance of advance given to the supplier. Advance given to the supplier, it is 35,000. Advance given to the supplier is 35,000. This is the opening balance. Two balance brought down. Here we have to write the advance to supplier in the beginning. It is 35. Advance to the supplier at the end, we are going to write it over here. It is 55. 55. Outstanding creditors opening, we will write over here two balance by balance brought down. It is 70,000. Outstanding creditors opening, creditors at the beginning here, and creditors at the end is 95. We'll write over here 95. Payment for purchase of medicine during the year, it is payment means to bank. Under the bank we are going to write payment made for medicine to creditors during the year. We are going to write it over here. It is 4,60,000. 4,60,000. It is 4,60,000. Is it clear? Now see the difference amount. You do the total of this side. This side total is 0,000,955. 5,90,000. Same amount you write it over here, 5,90,000, and balancing figure indicate that stock of medicine purchased during the year. This is the balancing figure. So balancing amount is 4,65,000. This is the balancing figure. 4,65,000. This amount we will write it over here, 4,65,000. This amount we will write over here. Stock of medicine to creditors for suppliers. suppliers account, creditors for suppliers account. Now, opening stock of medicine given in the question, opening stock of medicine is 1,10,000. 1,10,000, we'll write it over here. Opening stock, balance brought down, opening stock of medicine. Here we will write opening stock of medicine, and this side closing stock of medicine. Closing stock of medicine. Closing stock of medicine is 1,45,000. 1,45,000. After that, we will do the total of the debit side. The debit side total is 5,75,000. Same amount we will write it over here, 5,75,000, and we'll put the difference amount over here, which will be transferred to income and expenditure account. This amount will be the balancing figure indicating the medicine used during the financial year 2019-20. 1920. This much medicine is used in the hospital during the year 2019-20. So this amount will calculate it through the balancing figure. So balancing amount is 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 4. 4,30,000 is the balancing amount. 4,30,000. So this amount transferred to income and expenditure account. This indicates that medicine used during the financial year 2019-20. This amount will reflect in the debit side of income and expenditure account. This is income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. So medicine used is 4,30,000. We will write it in the debit side of income and expenditure account under the column expenditure, under this side, debit side. To medicine consumed. This much medicine the hospital has used or consumed during the financial year 2019-20. Now come to the balance sheet. I'm going to prepare the balance sheet of the last year, 31st March 2018. This is the last year. So all the assets and liability of the last year, I'm going to take all the assets and liability of the last year. So last year, you see the column of previous year, 31st March 2018 column. So creditors for outstanding, creditors for medicine purchased, it is 70,000. We are going to write 70,000 creditors for medicine purchase. Advance to supplier of medicine, that is 35,000, 35,000. And stock of medicine, 1,10,000. Stock of medicine, 1,10,000. Stock of medicine, 1,10,000. This is the balance sheet of the last year. Current financial year ends at 31st March 2020. First, I have prepared the balance sheet of the last year. Now, if I am going to prepare the balance sheet of the current year, means 2019 balance sheet of 2019, the figure will be changed over here. This figure will be changed. While preparing the balance sheet of the last year, I have taken the figure of the previous year. Now for the current year, I am going to take the figure of the current year. So current year creditors for outstanding medicine is 95,000. It is 95,000. And advance to supplier of medicine 55,000. It is 55,000. And stock of medicine 1,45,000. 1,45,000. This is the question number 1. Another question I have written back to back. Another question. Question number 2. To that question, all informations are same except the last information, the purchase of medicine during the year has given. In the previous question, the payment for purchase of medicine during the year, I have changed only one thing, that in the second question, the purchase of medicine during the year. If the purchase of medicine during the year has given, then no need to prepare the creditors for medicine account. No need to prepare this one, because directly this information has given. Directly this information has given. It means I'm not going to prepare this ledger in the question number 2. I am going to operate only stock of medicine, and here I am going to do the changes like this in the question number 2. Question number 2. So purchase of medicine during the year is 4,60,000. So I'm going to write 4,60,000 over here. I'm not going to prepare the previous ledger, creditors for medicine, because creditors for medicine is this in the first question. In the second question, it has directly given, so I'm not going to prepare the previous one. I'm going to operate only one ledger, that is the stock of medicine, ledger of stock of medicine, and I'm going to put the 4,60,000 over here directly, and then I do the total 5,70,000, and here this amount will change for 5,70,000. So difference amount is 0,005 to 4,25,000. This 4,25,000 we will write it over here. We will write over here 4,25,000. So in question number 2, no need to prepare this ledger. No need to prepare this ledger, because the information regarding creditors for supplier account, the purchase of medicine during the year has directly given. Directly we will place that item 4,60,000 over here, then do the total and find out the difference amount. This difference amount will be transferred to income and expenditure account debit side, and rest information will be same as we have discussed in the question number 1. Okay.